Single attached house and lot in San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. Jillian model. Actual turnover unit. Spacious living area and high ceiling. Painted walls. Kitchen area. Toilet and bath with lavatory and shower. Perfect location for you and your family. First bedroom at the ground floor. Exclusive subdivision near Quezon City. Accessible to Star Mall San Jose 𝗛𝗂𝗧𝗏 Hospital. People's Parks in Bulacan State University Churches. Soon accessible to MRT7. Open for bank and in-house financing. Lot area 84 square meter. Floor area 55 square meter. Second room. Third room. Subdivision amenities, clubhouse, swimming pool. Parks and playground and basketball court, open badminton court. Price starts at 3.5 million. Inquire now and start investing in this property near Quezon City. Let me help you achieve your dream house and lot.